Okay, hello students. Today we will discuss about the American Civil War. First of all, what is Civil War? Civil War means when the authority of a same country goes against each other, or the people of a country, same country, they fight against authority is known as Civil War. So American Civil War is a black spot in the American history. This Civil War actually broke out in the year 1861 and ended in 1865. And this was an armed conflict between the two groups of states. Actually, before the Civil War, the American states were divided into two groups, northern states and the southern states. Northern states, very developed and prosperous group, whereas the southern one was not very developed. Why? Because during the 1800th century, the northern states, they had shifted from farming to industries, whereas southern states were still involved in agriculture. Their main occupation was to grow crops. They used to grow cotton, tobacco and sugarcane. So, and in this particular Civil War, the maximum American had been killed. Maximum American had been killed. So, this was a very big war in American history. Yet, the northern and southern states, their occupation was different, as well as the cultural differences were also prevailing. But the main cause for the Civil War was the prevalence of slavery system. Northern states, they already rejected the slavery system and they were not in favor to keep slaves. Whereas southern states people, they were doing farming, and to grow cotton, tobacco and sugarcane, they needed slaves, manual work. And that is why they were in favor to maintain this system. Northern states anyhow at any cost wanted to remove this from the America, and that is why in the year 1840 the anti-slavery movement has started. It was just a beginning time, but gradually this movement took the space, and very soon it became a very powerful movement in northern states. Then after, with the support of the leaders of northern states, it went to southern states. If you want to know about the ugly side of the slavery system, then you can have a novel which is written by Harriet Beecher Stowe, and the name of the novel is Uncle Tom's Cabin. In this novel, you can see the black side of slavery system, the ugly side of slavery system. This novel also induced the people of northern states to pressurize the southern state to remove or eradicate slavery system, emancipate slavery system. But the southern states were not in favor to finish slavery system. In 1860, the northern states, they formed a political organization or party that was called the Republican Party, and Abraham Lincoln had been elected as the president of America, United States of America. And before the election, Abraham Lincoln had raised his voice against the slavery system. So as soon as he appointed as the president of America, what did happen? The southern states took him as an enemy, and some of the southern states, they had separated themselves from the northern states and formed another group. And which states were there? They were Carolina, Mississippi, Albania, Georgia, Louisiana and Texas. And they had appointed their own president, and their own president was Jefferson Davis. And